how to set up alarm on iPhone. So first thing first, locate and tap on the clock app on your iPhone. It typically has an icon that resembles a clock face. So after you open the clock app, you will get to see the plus icon available in the top right corner. That's where you can set new alarms. So this is where you can see the alarm section where you can view and manage your alarms. So now all you have to do is scroll wheels to set the time for your alarm, rotate the hour and minute wheels to select the desired alarm time. You can tap on the sound to choose any sound you want for your alarm. You can select from a variety of built-in tones or choose a song from your music library as well. So after that, if you want the alarm to repeat on specific days, tap on the repeat and select the days of the week you want the alarm to go off. If you don't select any days, the alarm will go off only once. So that's it guys. Once you have set the time, selected repeat days, chosen a sound and labeled your alarm, you can tap on the save or done and this will toggle on the alarm. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.